What if I told you that you could start your own business with just a few $1,000s and a smart machine doing most of the work? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today we're counting down the top 10 low-investment business machines under 10K that can help you launch a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. Whether you're looking for passive income, a flexible gig, or just a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind, these machines can make it happen. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just find the perfect business idea for you. 10. Vending machines, 1K to 5K. Starting off at number 10 is the vending machines. These are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it business. You just need to find a high-traffic location, like offices, gyms, or schools. Stock it with snacks or drinks and collect cash. Some machines even accept mobile payments. Why it works. Low maintenance, only need restocking 1 to 2 times per week. High profit margins, 50 to 70% on most items. Scalable. Start with one machine, add more as you grow. Pro tip, focus on healthy snacks and drinks for gyms or protein bars for office buildings to stand out from competitors. At 9, 3D printer, 1K to 5K. At number 9 is the 3D printers. If you love creativity, this machine can turn into a goldmine. Business opportunities, custom phone cases and jewelry. Miniatures for board game enthusiasts. Prototype products for local inventors. Replacement parts for household items. Marketing strategy. Sell on Etsy, eBay, or Amazon handmade. Offer local pickup to save on shipping. Partner with small businesses for custom displays. Profit potential. Many 3D printed items cost just 1 to 2K in materials but sell for 15 to 50. 8. Embroidery machine, 2K to 6K. Number 8 is the embroidery machine. Best markets. School sports teams, jerseys, Letterman jackets. Corporate gifts, logo hats for employees. Wedding party gifts. Local businesses, uniforms, promotional items. How to start. 1. Buy a quality 6-needle machine. Chapter 2. Offer quick turnaround times. 3. Upsell with premium thread colors. Key advantage. Once you digitize a design, you can reproduce it endlessly with perfect consistency. 7. Laser engraver, 3K to 8K. Coming in at number 7, laser engravers. Top selling items, personalized wedding gifts. Custom signage for businesses. Awards and trophies. Branded corporate gifts. Business model options. Sell finished products online. Offer engraving services. Bring your own item. Shed does partner with local gift shops on consignment. Why it's profitable. Engraving adds significant value to ordinary items. A $5 tumbler becomes a $30 personalized gift item. 6. Pressure washing trailer, 5K to 10K. At 6 is a pressure washing business. Services to offer. Residential, driveways, siding, decks. Commercial, storefronts, parking lots. And specialty, fleet vehicle cleaning. Pricing strategy. Charge by square footage. Offer monthly maintenance contracts. Upsell sealing and stain removal services. Marketing tip. Display before and after photos on local Facebook groups and get tons of leads. 5. CNC machine, 4K to 10K. Number 5. The CNC machines. This is a computer-controlled machine that automates the process of cutting, milling, and other machining operations on various materials like metal, wood, and plastic. Product ideas, custom wooden signs. Furniture components, a decorative wall art, specialty car parts. Sales channels, Etsy for custom home decor. A local craft fairs. Contract work for builders. Key benefit. Digital designs mean you can easily reproduce popular items or make custom one-offs with minimal setup. Number 4. Car wash vacuum system, 3K to 8K. At 4 is a self-service car wash vacuum system. Business model. Charge $1 to $2 per few minutes of vacuum time. Add air compressors for tire inflation. Include fragrance spray options. Location strategy. Partner with gas stations for revenue share. Look for high traffic areas near highways. Add credit card readers for convenience. Maintenance tip. Empty collection bins regularly and keep areas clean to encourage repeat use. 3. ATM machine, 2K to 5K. Number 3 might surprise you. ATM machines. How it works. 1. Place machine in cash-heavy business. 2. Earn $2 to $5 per transaction. 3. Split profits with location owner. Best locations: bars and nightclubs, laundromats, small retail shops, cannabis dispensaries. Key metric: a good location can generate 200-500 transactions monthly. To ice machine, 3K to 8K at number 2, commercial ice machines. Business models: 1. Sell bagged ice to convenience stores. 2. Lease machines to bars, restaurants. Offer event ice delivery. Seasonal strategy: summer, focus on retail sales. Winter, target bars and restaurants. Year-round, hospital and medical facility contracts. Profit note: ice costs pennies to make but sells for 1 to 3 per bag. 1 digital printing machine, 5K to 10K. And the number 1 best low-investment business machine is digital printing. Product options: custom apparel, DTG printing. At mugs and drinkware, sublimation. Phone cases and accessories. Sales approach: local school sports teams, corporate events, online print-on-demand store, wedding and party favors. Growth potential: start small with basic designs, then expand into full merchandise lines for businesses. So which of these machines got you excited? Remember: 1. Choose something matching your budget and skills. 2. Start small to test the market. 3. Scale up as you gain experience. These businesses all share one thing: they let machines do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your profits. If this video helped you, please like to help others find it. Subscribe for more business ideas. Comment which machine you're most interested in. Thanks for watching. Now go make that money.